Selamat pagi. Jalan-jalan.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing.
Good morning from the mountain trail here in Amed. And that's how Agung looks like at the moment. Absolutely clear. I think it's only a few days left when we're going there.
'Cause practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.
Same.
We'll roll with the punches.
Have you ever thought how selfish we are? I'm not talking about anyone particularly, probably I'm just talking about myself. And I grew up in a family where my parents always told me to share with others, to be polite, never bully anyone, so that's why I never did it. But when we become adults and we start working, then everyone around we start taking us like a competitor, right? And I think this is a moment when we become really selfish. Like I have thousands of like a kind of friends on a Facebook account and also Instagram. I haven't been that active, so that's why there is less. But the most of these people wanted to become my friends just because they know that I have customers who are my friends, and through me they can reach them. Like most of them became my friends or been asking to become my friends just to promote themselves. And so that's why you have this thousands of friends, kind of friends, but there's no any point. They don't give a shit about what's going on in your life. And that's why you become upset. I don't. I'm just talking about that. You can compare life with the sports. Same principle. All of us, we are on a start line and we start together. And then some of us decided to run in the front without any strategy and everything. So you're wasting your energy for nothing, and then you give up in some point and you become the slowest one. There are others who are smart enough and been working on a running strategy, for example, for the marathon, and they are not first and not the last, because that's not important during the process. The most important is to be first on a finish line. Then there are those who don't have a strategy, but they decide to follow this guys with a strategy and believe that in some point they will overtake them. But it doesn't work like that, because these guys are just copying and have no idea what is in the mind of these guys with the strategies. In some point they just giving up just because they cannot keep the rhythm of running same as those guys with the strategies. I'm always really okay to share my experience and my knowledge with the people. Why? Because I'm just trying to give them best, because you have to understand, when I'm sharing, I'm actually evolving. Every single moment when I'm sharing my experience and And knowledge, I understand the gaps of this knowledge and experience, so I'm start working on these gaps. Well, these guys, they just copy my knowledge and experience, and that's why they are not evolving. They're just taking the copy of me at that moment, while I still keep going.
We'll roll with the punches.
That's how it looks like today in Gemeluk Beach. Still pretty big waves. Here in this area it's okay, so we're actually going for the skill circuit at the moment with Dive Master candidate. The visibility here is not so good, so that's why we will go a little bit deeper. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Both of us are diving for a while, so we can do it a little bit deeper, no problem.